Dang, this sunlight, boy, it's kind of tough. What's up, TNT gang? It's your boy Tony B. And Taj, he's still not here. He's with his grandma, man. You know he's chilling for the summer. I don't blame him, but hey, when he come back, he gonna get to work, y'all, because we got a lot to do on this truck. And today's video ain't gonna be as lit as always. I'm so tired of this. I'm gonna just be asking you guys some questions because I want to know what you guys want to see on the truck. So stay tuned.
Perfect.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Oh my God. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright guys, the first thing I'm gonna ask you guys is, do you want to see me finish the exterior?
Nope.
You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and get it finished up, painted, get a new windshield, get the front grille and everything situated, get rid of, you know, some of this rust down here at the bottom. You know, just get the exterior done. That's number one. If you want to see number one done, the exterior stuff, hit number one in the comment section and just let me know what you want. All right, selection number two is this back here. Hey, do y'all want to see me put the roll pan on here that my boy, hey, Southern Chevy TV, thank you, my boy. Thank you for hooking me up with that. Or do y'all want to see me go ahead and get this sheet metal back here and finish up this bed 100%? That's another one that we can go ahead and do. If y'all want to see that, let me know. Go down there and put number two down there. Or just say, hey, just finish the bed up, bro. All right, number three. Hey, hold on. All right. Number three. Do y'all want me to go ahead and finish up this interior? As y'all see, I need some new hinges on the door. Do y'all go down there in the comment section and let me know, do y'all want me to go ahead and finish up this interior? Like the dash, the gauges, all that kind of stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna do new gauges. I might just go ahead and install these and try to see if I can get them working. Get the interior lighting and stuff like that, stereo, stuff like that. Let me know, go down in the comment section and let me know what you want me to do with the inside. All right, guys, option number 4 is under this hood. As y'all see, and as y'all know, hopefully y'all know, this is my brand new crate motor that I had in here for the longest. Really don't have any miles on it. So do y'all guys want to see some kind of mods within the engine bay? Which I know most of y'all just probably want me to go ahead and get this thing done, but I want to make sure I give y'all that option too. I just want to know what you guys want to see. I know you guys been rocking with the C10 build. I know it comes, you know, with the territory. You know, everybody want to see me get this thing done. So let me know if you want to see like cam, you know, other stuff that I can do with the interior. I already got long tube headers. I already got full exhaust. You know, maybe MSD box, you know, something like that. Just let me know down in the comment section. Do y'all want to see more engine mods coming with this truck? Go down there, go in the comment section, let me know. I need y'all help, y'all. Go ahead, go down there in the comment section. All right, now, all right.
Perfect.
Oh, come on now, dog.
All right, y'all. Option number 5. Let me know if y'all want to see some suspension work. If y'all want to see this thing draw.
Ooh, do this see your son?
Draw.
You killing me, man.
Do this see your son?
Oh, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Or cause I really, oh man, I didn't mess I messed up the whole thing. But let me know if y'all want to see some suspension stuff. See if y'all want to, you know, see me drop this thing, because I love these trucks lowered. I'm not going to, you know, do any bags and nothing like that, because your boy ain't got no bag money. The bags cost a bag. You know, if y'all want me to do maybe some spindles up front and maybe a flip kit back there in the back, go down in the comment section, let me know about that. And we're going to delete that drop part. All right, gang, that's it. Like I said today, today's video ain't, 100% lit. We ain't doing nothing to the truck. I just want to know you guys' comments and what y'all want to see, coming up for the truck build. Just let me know. Hey, the exterior, do you want me to do, finish up the bed, the roll pan? Let me know if you want me to do the interior. Let me know if you want me to do some engine made mods and stuff like that, or some suspension mods. I think that's everything I said. Just let me know what y'all want to see. I try to do my best to get that stuff out to you guys, because personally I really want to see this thing get done. So I just got to get all of it done anyway, but I want to see what y'all want to see down in the comment. I guess that's how you say it, but go down in the comment section and let me know what y'all want to see. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. I'm gonna be bringing all these bangers all week, y'all, so y'all be looking out for that. I'm gonna do some stereo upgrades in my dad's Armada 2017 Nissan Armada. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell, and make sure you hit that like button so it can circulate all these videos, man. I hope y'all guys like the video. I think that was, I already said that, but yeah. All right, y'all. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
It's a word that I remember from Spanish. And this what it is. Oh, delicioso.